Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to create a GIF on Capcut application by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we have to do is just go open the Capcut application, and after that we just need to create a new project and decide what photo or what video that we want to add to be our GIF. So I would like to have this, I would like to add it. So I want to make it shorter first, since GIF will have a shorter duration to make it like more dramatic, I think. So after that you just need to go decide which position that you want to cut it to, and after that go split and delete. Now I already have the part of the video that I really want, so I want to add several informations here. Okay, I would like to cut it more. Okay, I think it's enough. And now let's add several information. I would like to add some text here, so you just need to go click into the text, add text, and now let's type what we want to have here. Okay, and after you're done, let's go styling this. I would like to have a yellow. Okay, and after you're done, I would like to have an animation to let's find out the animation that we can add today here. Okay, I think it's kind of like dramatic enough. Okay, so and after I done, just click done. I would like to do a positioning for this first letters, and after that I would like to duplicate this words. We can duplicate this word just by click these symbols here. Okay, and now I already got the duplicate for the second letters. Just need to drag into the other part, and then let's change the word be mine. Okay, they will have like same fonts, same animation. Okay, I would like to go make it like appear after, and after that I would like to have this the last letter. Just do the same, drag it. Okay, positioning and retyping. Then the last letter I would like to say God. Okay, don't forget to make it last. Okay, let's have a try first. Okay, that's good. I would like to make it like a little bit. Okay, and now how to save this project become a GIF? You just need to go click this part, this 1080p, and you just need to go click GIF. And now we can just choose either you want to standard, high, or ultra high. High or ultra high also only for the pro, but today I would like to go 20 or 240p, and after you're done click it, you just need to go export it. Okay, now let's take a look. Wait a minute, let's have a look. Let's open the library or the photos, and now you already have the GIF. That's all the way how to create a GIF by Capcut application. If you find out that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe and comment into this channel.